when it comes to this service of the ritual repair that I am building out, and if you're interested, please leave a comment. And please go to the link in my bio and sign up to be placed on the waiting list. For the first phase of everything, I will be starting out in Memphis, Tennessee, but I am thinking about taking this and making it more of like a pop-up thing where I go like state to state. I think that would be pretty dope. But for now, for it to be a ritual repair, I'm very excited about this service because, not only are we repairing your garments, I honestly feel like because our clothing is attached to our auras and our identities, like that is how you understand who a person is in a lot of ways, by the way they dress. Once you repair something that you wear and give it a second life, I think it gives a piece of you a second life in a sense. Like it repairs a piece of your spirit, like piece of your confidence. It adds something like that's just very powerful. And I'm gonna keep saying powerful because I need us to understand just how powerful we are and how powerful our style is. Like to think that our ancestors, when they were enslaved, would use their cornrows as maps to freedom. Like that type of brilliance is not something to just be ignored or, scoffed at or anything like that. Like, this is who the fuck we are. We are brilliant, especially when it comes to our style and how we utilize it. Like what I've really fallen in love with. And this is actually inspired by the fact that as Black women, we are constantly under surveillance. Like we can't have a moment to ourselves in public most times. Motherfuckers think that when they're lost, they gotta find us. No, don't find us. Don't come up to us. Leave us the fuck alone. But I digress. So for me, I was inspired by this, the fact that Black women are always under surveillance, and it made me think of being a spy because when I was a kid, I loved anything spy. Like Spy Kids was my shit. Totally Spies was my shit. I still watch Totally Spies. Like it's just like the glamour mixed with like the tech, mixed with like the girliness, the fun, the audacity of just being beautiful, intelligent, quick-witted, just like aware of the energies around you, aware of any enemies lurking around the corner. Just to be aware is extremely important and extremely powerful. And to utilize our style as a way to combat this surveillance, to in some way like cloak ourselves in a way from the surveillance, I think that would be even doper. And then, we have the wearable technology out here. And I just wonder why wearable technology is not more of a thing, which is why I do want to incorporate it when we start doing capsule collections, because best believe that shit is coming. But I really want to start at the foundation of all of this, which is the needle and the thread, because needle and thread, it's like all you need. And for it to be that simple, a needle and thread, in order to reinvent yourself. Some people probably think you're crazy to think that that would reinvent myself. Are you serious? Yes, I'm very serious. I'm reinventing myself right now. I don't have a sewing machine at the moment, but I've been altering my clothing, upgrading my style, upgrading my wardrobe in a way that brings me like such solace and such like makes me feel like I'm becoming the next version of myself. And I think that it just empowers me, and it makes me feel so good. And it makes me want to spread this feeling. Like, I want y'all to feel like, if I'm feeling low one day, or if I'm feeling like, I need a change, like, like, pick up a needle and thread. Pick a garment out of your closet that you feel like, damn, I wish this was more so like this. I haven't worn this in forever. Like, why did I even get this? Or like, why does this look like this? Or what have you. Like, all you gotta do, grab a needle and thread. Make that shit something that you are in love with. Figure out what would make this like something I would be in love with.